Hey everyone, Harris and Hendrix here.
Today we're unboxing the brand new Powerbeats Pro and giving a pair away.
They retail for $249.95 and come in 4 different colors.
However, black was the only color available during the launch in May. Unfortunately, the Powerbeats Pro don't come with wireless charging.
Oh, and look at this charging case. It's massive compared to the AirPods 2 with wireless charging.
But the AirPods 2 and Powerbeats Pro are sharing the same Apple's H1 chip, easy for syncing with the Apple devices, and improved Bluetooth sound quality.
In the rest of the box, we've got quite a few accessories. You'll see a lightning cable that's black, quick user guides, stickers, and regulatory paperwork which no one ever reads, and additional earbuds.
Fast fuel, meaning 5 minutes of charge equals an hour and a half of play. Let's charge the case and pair it to the iPhone. To pair, keep the earphones in the case.
Unlocking my iPhone XS Max with Face ID. Pairing Powerbeats, easy as 1, 2, 3.
We got the call button, the volume control, up and down, the beam-forming microphones and next to the charging connectors. After using the headphones for a few weeks, we have replaced my AirPods.
Will you be purchasing a pair of Powerbeats Pro?
Let us know in the comments below.
If you like this video, check out our behind the scenes content available for free. If you loved it, consider becoming a patron. We'd love to help you launch your vision. Thanks again for watching. Peace.
Bye.